In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high-converting landing page in GetResponse. First, we'll start by navigating to the GetResponse dashboard. This is your central hub for all the features GetResponse offers. Once you're there, look for the Tools section in the menu. This is where you'll find various functionalities to enhance your marketing campaigns. Clicking on Tools will present several options, and for today, we are focusing on landing pages. This option helps you create dedicated pages that can effectively convert visitors into leads or customers. Now, once you're on the landing pages section, select Create Landing Page to begin the process. Here, GetResponse offers two options, starting from scratch or using a template. To make things more efficient, we recommend opting for the Use a Ready-Made Template choice. This allows you to start with a pre-designed template that you can customize to suit your brand's needs. Select Pre-designed Templates to browse through the available options. While exploring the available templates, you might find some that are fully designed, but to personalize it further according to your requirements, often a blank template serves best. Click on Use Template once you've made your choice, allowing you to open it in the editor for customization. With the template open, you can start editing by clicking on the sections of the template. A crucial element of your landing page will be the headline. Make sure it's strong and clear, as this is what grabs the viewer's attention. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Continue to move forward. Here, you will be prompted to name your landing page. This name helps you identify the page within your GetResponse account. It's also important to adjust the subscription settings to meet your audience's preferences. This involves giving them options for email frequency or topics they might be interested in. Next, let's set a favicon, which is a small icon that appears in the browser tab when someone visits your landing page. It adds a touch of professionalism and brand recognition. Also, consider setting up a cookie consent banner, which is essential for complying with privacy laws and ensuring visitor trust. Then head over to the Analytics and Integrations section. Integrations can be beneficial if you're tracking interactions on your page or want to sync with other applications you use, like CRM tools. After you've set up these important details, click Continue. At this point, you will be asked to enter a landing page name and domain name. These are critical for how your page will be accessed and its URL structure. Finally, with everything in place, click Publish to make your landing page live. You now have a high-converting landing page ready to attract and convert your visitors. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll see how easy and efficient designing a landing page with GetResponse can be.